Hello children. Today we will start exponents and powers of the syllabus NCERT CBSE State Board grade 8th class 8th. Okay, we will discuss first introduction. We have learned in the class 7 what is base and exponent, what is negative exponent, laws of exponents, standard form. Okay, what is standard form? Scientific notations. Once again, we will revise all these concepts for the 8th class also. What is base and exponent? Example, suppose 5 to the power of 6. Okay, 6 is called 6 is called exponent. Okay, and this base 5 is known as base. This we know already. Okay, what is negative exponent? Negative exponent, suppose 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 cube. As the formula a to the power minus n is equal 1 by a to the power of n. Okay, this is negative. Okay, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents, once again we will revise. What is a to the power m into a to the power n? As bases are equal, we have to add the powers. This is first law. Okay, and next one is a to the power m and whole to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m into n, that is called mn. A to the power mn. Okay. Okay, so first one this is, and second one, and third one. What is third one? A to the power minus n is equal 1 by a to the power n. Fourth one, a to the power 0 is equal 1. Fifth one, fifth, 6 and 7 and 8 also we have. In this we will discuss. So a to the power 0 is equal to 1. And fifth one is, if a to the power m by a to the power n, then a to the power m minus n. And sixth one is, if a to the power m and b to the power m, then ab whole to the power m. And one more formula, a by b whole to the power m, then a to the power m by b to the power m. And one more example I can say, law of the exponent is, if 1 by a to the power m, okay, this is same like this only, a to the power minus n, but there are two cases. If m is greater than 0 and n is less than 0, for this formula we have two cases. I will explain you when we will start the exercise. Before exercise, I'll repeat the formula. Okay, these are the laws of exponents we discussed in the 7th class. That class link also I'll share in the description. If you want, you can go through. Once again, so here as bases are equal, we are adding the powers. If two exponents are there, we are multiplying the exponents. If negative one is there, we are transposing to the, like we are writing as denominator, the negative becomes positive. Okay, so now once I want to explain how does it comes, a to the power 0. Okay, a to the power 0 proof I want to give you. What is the proof actually? If I am going to take 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, this we will prove. How can we take 2 to the power any number, 3 minus 3 I can take. So which is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so how much you'll get? 1. Yes, so 2 to the power, this is LHS and this is RHS. I started with the LHS 2 to the power 0. So in this way we are getting 2 to the power 0 is 1, or any number to the power 0 is 1. So here a to the power 0, 1, it is the proof. And the remaining, you know how we will get. Okay, suppose this formula, fifth formula will explain a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This proof I'll give you. Suppose 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 2. Yes, how can we do this? We can expand it. 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel. Answer is 2 to the power 1. Okay, if I am going to apply the same formula, 2 to the power 3 by 2 to power 2, then 2 to the, by applying this formula also, we are getting 1 only, right? So this is actual proof. That is why we got this formula. Okay, in that way here also this proof also, a to the power n into p to the power m. So here suppose 2 cube, sixth formula, I will explain the proof. Sixth formula, a to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, so here what is the formula? ab whole to the power of m. Okay, suppose 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay, I'm just taking LHS. So what is this? 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Okay, you multiply this. How much you'll get? 27 into 8. 8 sevens are 56, 8 twos are 16, 21, 216. Okay, if I'm taking RHS, 2 into 3 whole cube, that is what? 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, 216 only. Correct? That is why this formula has come. Okay, these are the few formula I explained you. Next we'll go to the try this and try these. We will from this chapter and from this chapter onwards we will complete try these, do these problems also. So first try this problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Okay, first question. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Okay, what is multiplicative inverse and additive inverse, children? First I will explain you. Okay, here in the right side. So a plus of minus a is equal to 0. Correct? That means minus a is the additive inverse of a. Okay, minus a is additive inverse of plus a. Okay, now multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. When we cancel we should get 1. Okay, additive inverse means by adding or subtracting you should get 0. Additive inverse means by multiplying or cancelling you should get 1. So additive inverse of minus 1, suppose minus, right, is 1 by a to the power minus 1. Okay, because here I'll get 1 by a into reciprocal a. By cancelling we'll get 1. Okay, like that first one, 2 to the power minus 4 additive inverse. Additive inverse of 2 to the power minus 4 is what? 1 by 2 to the power, how we will write this one? 1 by 2 to the power 4. What is the 1 by 2 to the power additive inverse is 2 to the power 4. Here we can cancel this and we will get the answer 1. Okay, like that you have to write remaining. 10 to the power minus 5 additive inverse is 10 to the power 5 plus 10 to the power 5. Third one is 7 to the power minus 2 additive inverse is 7 plus 2. Okay, and additive inverse of 5 to the power minus 3 is 5 to the power plus 3. Like that, additive inverse of 10 to the power minus 100 is 10 to the power of plus 100. Okay, if negative then it will be positive, because I just explained one example. No, like that you do all these are the answers. Okay. Yes, hello children. Now again I am explaining the concept only, expanded form of using exponents. Okay, in childhood we have learnt about the expanded form, like same thing I want to explain in expanded form. Suppose 123. What is the expansion? 100 plus 20 plus 3. Correct? This is the expanded form which we have learnt in the class 2 or class 3. Now the expanded form in using exponents. How can we write? See, this is units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. Okay, so how can we expand? Let me expand first in this way only. This is 1000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, now we will expand in the exponent form. 1 into 10 cube, right? This is 10 cube only, no? Right. Next, 5 into 10 square. 100 means 10 square. We can convert 100 into 10 square. Plus 2 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay. Next, 3 into 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is what? 1. Here nothing is there means 1. 3 into 1. This is called exponential form. Okay. In this way, we have to expand the decimal numbers also. Okay, once again, same expansion like normally usual method, then exponential form. Okay, next one more example. Suppose 1324.3 2. This I will expand now. I would like to expand first in a usual way. 1000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Okay, again plus 0.3. Actually 0.3 is what? 10th. 1 by 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100th place. After decimal we don't have units. After decimal we call them as 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. 10th. Okay, 100th. We call them as, okay, ones place won't be there after decimal. Okay, so now here 1 into 10 cube, 3 into 10 square, 2 into 10 to the power 1, 4 into 10 to the power 0, here 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, negative I explained in the formula. No, what negative formula? A to the power minus n is what? 1 by a to the power n. Correct? If it is 1 by 10, then the formula, what is the exponent? 10 to the power minus 1 only. No, same here. 10 to the power minus 1 plus 10, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. This is called exponential form. Okay. Yes, we will go to the next, try these problems. There are two questions only. Okay, I will explain both the questions, but you have to practice them, children. The first one is expand the following in using exponent method. 1025.63. Okay, first I will expand in natural way. What is the 100,000 plus hundreds place plus 20 plus 5 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Okay, 3 by 100. Next, 1 into 10 cube, 1 2 3. Okay, next 0 we can write, 0 into 10 square also you can write. Okay, next here, plus 2 into 10 to the power 1, 5 into 10 to the power 0, 6 into 10 to the power minus 1, 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. That's all. Expanded form. Okay. Yes, children, here again we will expand once again the last problem. I will try this problem. Okay. 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6 plus 0.2 means 2 by 10, 0.24 means 4 by 100, it is thirds place, thousandth place, 9 by 1000. Okay, 1 into 10 cube, 2 into 10 square, 5 into 10 to the power 1, 6 into 10 to the power 1. Here 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, 4 into 10 to the power minus 2, 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, children. So second, try these problems also completed. I hope you all understood very well. Then we'll go to the next topic in next video.